Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting this cute little cat, and for that I did use this Hahnemuller sketchbook. Also I did use this Viviva color sheets, spring set, a burgundy color and saffron, also a little bit of the olive green, some tree bark brown and happy yellow and midnight blue. For the brushes today, I used this Raphael number 0 quill brush and Raphael number 8 round brush. Also used this Micron 03 ink pen. It is archival ink, and a pencil for sketching. So without the further ado, let's get to it. I will be starting with the sketching. So just first drawing in the stairs. And then on the sides I'm going to add couple of foliages, and then on top of the stairs my cat, quite simply one oval shape for the head and teardrop shape for the body, two also teardrop shapes for the legs, tail, and I will draw it as it is looking up or just has a smug face. And with that, I'm done with my sketch. Moving on to the inking. First, I'm going to go on top of the lines that I drew on my sketch. Quite simply. All the way. And I'm just drawing a sketchy lines. And I do want to make it quite loose and simple. And also you can see my lines are not perfect. I do want to make it fun and loose. And then on top, I'm going to be adding a little bit more of the ink, just stylizing my drawing. And making some lines thicker, adding a bit of the details onto my cat, her tail. And I'm gonna draw in the ears black, and then some more details on the stairs. And I do want to make it appear like she's sitting in front of the doors or something like that. So just two quite loose, simple lines at the back too, just blocking the background. And a bit more ink onto the stairs, some shading on the sides of the stairs and front. And then with the olive green, I'm gonna start my watercolor process. So this ink is archival, as I said, so and waterproof, so I can just paint on top of it, mixing a little bit of the tree bark brown and some happy yellow for the top of the stairs, and some more tree bark brown for the front. I do want to make a distinction between those two parts of the stairs, but again, quite loosely, simplistically, minimalistically, so not gonna overthink it. A little bit of the saffron for my cat on her cheeks, and on her details on her body, and a little bit of the burgundy. Again, quite simply, I'm gonna paint that cat. And then for the background, mix of midnight blue and a little bit of the tree bark brown. Some splatters. And a little bit more of the burgundy mixed in with saffron for some foliage and florals in the front. And with a couple of last details onto my cat and the background, I will finish the first layer, just dry it. And then with the olive green, adding a couple of more details onto the grass. And just a few more details onto the stairs, and a little bit more of the paint onto the walls, maybe on the sides. And with that, we are done. So guys, Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Find it simple and fun enough to give it a try. And if you do like it, please hit the like button, share it and comment, and maybe hype this video. I would appreciate that really a lot. And if you haven't still, do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here for advanced and beginners, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!